Johannesburg City Hall. A little bit of, and more people coming that side. So I hate this side because all the garbage that you guys can see there, you know, you guys can see there. No, I blame the city and why we need to do this in our private capacity. Now it's not acceptable. Not acceptable. Look at this. This is not acceptable. What do you think about this?
This is unacceptable.
Do you think this is acceptable?
I mean, how can you live like this?
I have no idea. Look at this. Really, we need to do this in our private capacity to clean this place.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yo. Yeah, look, this is a pit of diseases, guys. This stuff could be needles, can be anything there. That's a public hazard. Why is nothing being done? I've been here for so many months. This is nothing being done about this. Nothing. And if you think the same, please put the things down in the comments because this is outrageous. Nothing. Hi guys, welcome to another Living SA TV video. David here. So today I'm going with Mohal. I'll say hi to the people.
Hi.
So we are actually here at the Receipt Street Post Office, right? Like a cleanup event with the Johannesburg Culinary. So a big shout out to Geraldine Joel from the Johannesburg Culinary School for actually arranging everything. She was amazing and they are doing such an amazing job right here in the CBD. But of course, I just can't come here and say that this is like dirty, needs to be clean. I want to show you guys that the place was actually cleaned. And they even install cameras, but let me show you guys now. So they install now a few cameras here. You guys can see that, right? And the most fascinating thing was on the other side of the street. You guys can see there is actually the garbage is actually being taken care of, right? And I want to show you guys on the other side of the street, inside of the Receipt Street Post Office, the place is actually cleaned. We just wait for these guys to come through, show you guys properly. So this place was so filthy. Look at this. They actually cleaned everything. Look at that. Yo, it was horrible. They actually, I don't know who did it, but congratulations for what it was done. Look at this. It's 1,000 times better than what it looked like. Actually, with addition of the cameras. You guys can see. Even the park, look at the park. The park was closed. What's the... Yo, but the park looks good, eh? I know it was not closed, but...
It's open.
Should we open?
People inside. Let's go around that side.
Yeah, but just to give an idea, to show how clean the place actually is. Look at that. It was filthy, guys. Look at that. It was all clean. As this is just a quick update. Like I say, I like to see these things clean and give props to who did it. I don't know yet, but anyway, guys, I hope you guys comment down below. Follow the good example about cleaning up our CBD. And share, subscribe, destroy that like button. I'll see you in the next Living SA TV video.